Hello everybody. Today is December 28th. Today we introduce our new machine, three layer blank mask ear loop cross welding machine. We can check the finished sample. Okay, it's special is for this ear loop cross. You can see it is won't be followed down from your head, because your head is large, and it is can protect your ear, right? You already use the mask more than 1 year. Your ear will be very hurt if you use mask for a long time. But this mask you can see very good. Won't hurt for your ear. It's very nice. But for this ear loop cross, it is very hard to produce together. To get automatic, you can check the finished sample. Before we didn't produce this machine, factory needed to welding the part 1 port by 1 port, but 1 point by 1 point. But now we can automatic welding together. So our speed is 50,000 pieces in a day, and if we label speed just 5,000 pieces in a day, so it is 10 times speed than label. So we can check our machine, the whole machine. You can see, because it is special for, it is very hard to produce this ear loop cross welding machine. The mask body machine is the same as normal mask machine. So that's why I say it is hard to produce. You can see the two-piece ear loop is crossed together in the middle, and it is different. It is different from the normal mask, And our welding point is in the outside, not in the side. You can see. Our factory is the first factory to produce this machine. You can see our special design for this metal plate to get ear loop, and it won't be together, cross together with the other ear loop. And we design a special clip, this special clip only we can produce it because this clip can pull the ear loop to here, feeding the ear loop to here, and the welding and this welding head follow down and must keep running to output and to the conveyor belt. You can set 1 piece or to 10 pieces together. It is no problem. And our machine uses the 2-piece ultrasonic. The ultrasonic is Huizhuan brand, and we use the 20K 2,600 watt. For you can see this is digit ultrasonic. And this machine we use the 3-piece swerve motor and the 4-piece step motor. Swerve motor is the Xinjie brand. 3-piece 1, 2, 3, and the 4-piece step motor. And we use many 4-piece fan to let machine ultrasonic get cooler more quickly. And we use the Xinjie PLC, and every cable we use the marked tube, so it is very easy to find machine problem in future. We have English and Chinese system. You can see our machine speed is the 40 pieces in 1 minute. And you can connect with the mask body machine, and also you can use the mask feeding device. Put it over here. It is very easy and help you to save the electricity cost. You can see our whole machine from different angle. You can see. Only our factory can produce this machine. We already used 3 months to produce it. It is very hard to produce it.